Welcome to Val's Quick Tips and Trick cooking channel again. And yes, it is still summer, very hot. So let's make another fizzy drink. I'm making of cucumber. So few mint leaved, one whole of cucumber, little bit of ginger, and this is lime and ice water. So first thing we will put ice water in our mixer and this all, and we will chop. And we need fizzy, so we need either you can have it like this only with water, or you can have with soda, then with honey or without honey. So little bit of pepper powder, very little, okay, and we will add little bit of salt to this. Then we will put our lime juice, and we will grind this. So here it is now done. Now we will add this into this. And we will add lime juice to this. Already there is tanginess, but we will add more. And we will add some soda to this. Enjoy. Hope you all will enjoy this drink this summer. We need this. Thank you so much.
Here it is ready, a summer special drink with cucumber. We're calling it cucumber fizz. Thank you.